Meanwhile, in Osaka, we are on our way to the airport, Kansai Airport in Osaka. Madam May is flat tire. Flat tired pala. Hindi yan kumain ng masyado ng rice pero nabusog talaga siya. So, ayan yung mga avobot namin nung we are in the taxi going to the airport. Although ang flight namin is tonight pa 7 ako 6 PM si Madam. Pero for some reason ang daming tawang init-init sa Dotonbori Street kasi may ano daw sila, may parang festival or what. So nainitan ang Madam. At least sa airport doon kami matutulog, mamatcha-matcha, ganun. So naka-shorts pa po tayo pero mamaya pantalon ako dyan kasi super init. Sa airport na ako magbihis. So, Kansai Airport for me to Manila, while Madam May is Kansai, Osaka, Japan to Cebu direct. So, pareho kaming direct, but for me, the journey continues from Ninoy Aquino International Airport to San Francisco. From San Francisco for 15 hours flight with connecting flight to Las Vegas, and then I will be home. So see you there. You won't believe it, but I am sitting here, the front row. Long legs. I can stretch my legs out or wide open.
We request all guests to stow your hand luggage properly under the seat or in the stowage bins above you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat.
San Francisco. Meanwhile, in San Francisco, conveyor is moving. This is for faster. Ayan. Kasi may connecting flight. Ayan, naka-barrier po tayo. Strictly France. Diyos ko, antok na antok ako. Buti lang nakatulog ako talaga sa aeroplano. Wow! Sparkling water talaga ha. And then we have some food. So, nasa D16 gate na. Para po may vitamins tayo, diba? Diyos ko, Lord. Masarap ang food ng United, pero dalawang beses lang kami kumain. Kasi umalis ng Manila, na-delay kami ng 30 minutes dahil sobrang ulan. Pero nasa airplane na kami. Pero 7 hours waiting ako kasi from Osaka to Manila, dumating ako ng midnight. Midnight yun, no? Tapos ang gate ng United did not open until 4:30 AM. And of course, never ending pila. Naka-queue talaga. Kakaparty. Tapos, yung flight United going to San Francisco, dumaan talaga ng Japan. Kung alam ko talaga, kasi doon tayo nasasama ako kay Madam. may papuntang Japan. Sana nung nasa Vegas pa ako, na-change ko yung flight ko ng multi-city ba. Nung yun, yung papuntang Manila, and then dapat Cebu. So ayan, nasa King Gate na ako, D16 right there. After 13 hours plus 4.5 hours, Osaka to Manila, Manila to San Francisco, San Francisco, and now finally San Francisco to Las Vegas. So get ready with me na. Get ready with me talaga. Kaya labubo. First of all, thank you Lord. And then labubo na walang delay. Pero hagad ang inyong lula at gutom. Bili lang ako ng, oh my gosh, bili lang ako ng water. Nalulusyang na talaga. Umuwi lang ng Pilipinas, lusyang agad.